Did you know that mixing tire brands can turn your car into a death trap? Well, this frustrated woman learned that the hard way. She rolls up to Eddie and Teddy's shop madder than a wet cat. Three discount tire shops told her that her car pulling to the side was totally normal. But little Ted takes one look and starts shaking his head. Ma'am, you got two different tire brands with completely different speed ratings, Ted says, pointing at her wheels. That's like wearing a high heel on one foot and a sneaker on the other. The crew starts investigating and finds a hot mess. Mixed tire types front to rear, crazy different air pressure recommendations, and worn suspension parts that nobody bothered to check. Eddie jumps in with the real talk. These discount shops just want to sell you something quick and get you out the door. They ain't checking for your safety. The team shows her the right way to inspect a vehicle while Shorty cracks jokes about shops that cut corners. Sometimes paying a little more saves your life.